Samsung has switched and added various authentication technologies to its Galaxy S lineup of flagships. And at one point, the company's devices were shipping with iris scanners, making it similar to Apple's Face ID offered on its iPhones. But the Korean giant has yet to provide facial recognition AIN to its rivals. And according to one tipster, the feature will not arrive with the Galaxy S25 Ultra launch next year either. But we may see this addition finding its place in Samsung's future flagships. There was a rumor going around that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include Polar ID, a polarized facial recognition technology that would not need any extra sensors for Face ID. This would enable Samsung to keep the punch-hole front-facing circular cutout. However, Sawyer Golo quickly refuted this claim on X, stating that it is impossible for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to feature this technology, but no specific justification was provided. Our suspicion is that Apple has reached an exclusive agreement with its suppliers, under which no manufacturer will be permitted to sell Face ID shipments to any other competition. This is feasible since Face ID has been around since 2017, when Apple formally launched the iPhone X. Since then, not even Samsung has revealed a half-baked version of Face ID. The tior suggests that the company may not pursue Face ID-like technology on the Galaxy S25 Ultra in order to save on component costs. However, the post mentions that the Galaxy S26 Ultra may have this feature, but it is too early to comment on Samsung's future plans. At this point, the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be an incremental upgrade to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with small variations between the two flagships. Samsung may be relying on the popularity of Galaxy AI to boost current and future sales, but it should not be a sustainable revenue source in the foreseeable future. Given that Samsung is reluctant to integrate Face ID technology owing to possible costs and exclusivity agreements, what other biometric authentication enhancements may they be concentrating on for future Galaxy S series flagships? Could these advanced M outperform Face ID in terms of security and functionality? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.